Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can switch opponents in Monopoly Go. So if you want to switch opponent, first you need to be able to attack opponents. Now to attack opponents, you need to roll the dice and get the number so that you land on this area where it says railroad. So if you land on railroad, you will be able to attack other people. So as you guys can see, there are 4 railroad in your boxes in the 4 corners. Once you land on one of these railroads, you will be able to attack an opponent. So I have rolled the dice and I landed on the railroad, and now I'm able to attack this person called Red Sea Crab 25S. But let's say I don't want to attack this person. I need to attack, or I want to attack other people. I can click on switch opponent at the bottom. Once I click on switch opponent, it's going to give me 2 tabs, revenge and friend. Revenge means it's going to show you the list of all the people that have previously attacked you. You can click and go right beside the person's name and attack them. And if you want to attack your friend, you can go on the friends tab, and right beside your friend's name there's going to be a go button. Click on it and you can attack your friend as well. But that is how you guys can switch opponent in Monopoly Go. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.